everyone, it's Tammy, and I just want to tell you guys a little tip for today. If you guys are ever going to use any sort of spray ink or spray, it could even be spray paint or spray glitter, anything like that, if you've used it before, you know that it can create a really big mess. So something that you can do to prevent that is just to keep an empty box around. This one happens to be a planner box from Coco Daisy, and you can use it. Just open it up and put your card or whatever you want inside, and you can use it to deflect all of the spray, the mist. So now I can spray at my heart's desire and it won't get my desk messy. It won't get me. Well, I'm not going to say I'm not going to get messy, because Lord knows I'm a mess maker. But I mean, look how fun this is. Maybe just a little more squirt of that teal. The blue overpowers it, doesn't it? It still is. Oh well. I just wanted to show you the tip anyway. But then I thought, ooh, I could probably use this, but I don't know. Maybe I won't. I'll probably figure out something to do with it. It's kind of a cool background. Sure, I'll figure out something to do with it, but I just wanted to show you the tip. So keep a little empty box around and use it to spray all your goodies, and you won't have to worry about ink mess. Thank you. Bye-bye.